Hello again, it's Harry here, your geriatric nurse from Toronto, Canada, back for my humble contribution for the care for the older adults and their caregivers. Have you noticed the older adult filling their medications or maybe not filling their medications? Or maybe they're just a little bit late in doing this.
Welcome to Harry's Geriatric Nursing Insights, where we explore the heart of elderly care. Join us for stories, practical tips, and celebrate our dear elders and their caregivers.
This is something that's worth exploring, especially for the community pharmacists and pharmacy techs who notices these things, because they may be early signs that something is changing in the older adults. Now, some may decide consciously to discontinue some medications and things like this. That's why it's important to assess further, to see what the reason behind this, and if the decision is the best decision for his or her health. So this is something worth exploring. If you notice, or if you visit or you are visiting your grandparents, your parents, look at the medications and see where they are at. It may give you clues, as again going back to the triple D's, if there may be something in play. Sometimes some people stop taking medication, maybe for example if they're grieving, or for example if they have been forgetting, um, uh, and that's very dangerous, because if those things were going on, and remember, anything that will go on in the body can again affect the mentation, which is a cause of delirium. And the thing with the triple D's, if one is in existence, they can put a burden on each other. So you can just see the bad cycle that can go on if left unnoticed, especially over time. So be watchful, and make this part of your check when you are checking them. Of course, always do it with care and with respect, so that we can preserve the dignity and the quality of life of the older adults. Thank you and take care.